Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are well. Students, today we will learn chapter number 8. Chapter number 8, that is basic geometrical concept. Basic geometrical concepts. So students, today we will learn about relationship between points and lines, types of lines, polygon, quadrilateral, constructing squares and rectangles, and circle. Okay class, now class, let's start the chapter. Thus, they identify the figures given below and say if they are lines, line segments, or rays. Line, line segment, or rays. Class, see, this is a AB is a line. Class, GH also is a line, and MN is also a line. Understand? Now, class C. Name the following terms related to the given circle. Related to the given circle. ये हमारे पास क्या है, पॉइंट O है एंड ये हमारा क्या होता है, जो पूरा ये इंटरसेक्ट करता है किसको, पॉइंट को, तो जो हमारा क्या होता है, डायमीटर एंड इट इज अ रेडियस एंड इट इज अ कॉर्ड. अंडरस्टैंड? डायमीटर इज आल्सो कॉर्ड. अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ क्लास आ रेडियस, रेडियस क्या है क्लास यहाँ पर, OE. नाउ a diameter, as I told you, AOB. Now the center is O, a chord different from the diameter. I told you diameter is also a chord, but उन्होंने बोला है different from the diameter is CD. Understand? Now class, we have learned in the previous class how to draw different kinds of shapes. हमने अपनी previous class में क्या पढ़ा था class? How to draw different kinds of shapes, figures, circle, etc. We also learned about a segment of line made up of collection of points. हमने class of points. A points is actually a mark of location. A point is actually mark of location. Let us revise about point, line, line segment and tree. Class C. Point क्या होता है? What is point? A point is show a definite position. Definite position. It has no length, no breadth, and no thickness. It has no shape and size. It is represented by a dot like this and named by capital letters. हम उसको capital letters से name देते हैं, A, B, C, D and so on. Okay. Line. A line has no breadth and no thickness. A straight line can be extended any length on both sides. हम उसको कितना ही extend कर सकते हैं. To show this fact, arrow heads are drawn to the end points of a line. The symbol of a straight line is this. So AB is a line. Understand? Now class C, line segments. A part of a line is known as the line segment, or a line segment is the shortest distance. Is a shortest distance between 2 points. See here. As shown here, it has fixed length which can be measured. एक fixed length होती है class which can be measured, जिसको हम measure कर सकते हैं. AB is a line segment. Symbol of a line segment is, understand? A class ray. Come on, ray. A ray is a straight line which has a definite starting point. Which has definite starting point, goes indefinitely in other direction. Goes indefinitely in other direction. Some examples are sunlight, torch, light, etc. is for ray. Now AB is a ray with starting point A and go and identify. AB is a ray with starting point A and going indefinitely in the other direction B. Comparison of a line segment, line and ray. Class C. AB is a ray. Now class C, line segment, line and ray. First point is, a line segment has 2 endpoints, but a line has no endpoint. A ray has only 1 endpoint. Okay. A line segment has a definite length. A line does not have a definite length. A ray doesn't have a definite length. Now class, third point, AB is a line segment. AB is represented by like this. Line AB is represented by like this. Ray AB is represented by this as shown in the figure. Now class, see relationship between points and lines. Relationships between points and lines. How many lines can be drawn through a point X? Class, unlimited. We can draw the unlimited lines like this. We can draw infinite number of lines passing through this point. Lines that contain the same point are known as concurrent lines. अब क्लास जिनका जो पॉइंट होता है जिन लाइंस का वो सेम पॉइंट होता है, वो कौन सी लाइंस होती है? कॉन्करेंट लाइंस होती है. अंडरस्टैंड क्लास? कॉलिनियर पॉइंट्स क्या होता है क्लास? सी, इफ 3 or more points lie in a straight line, if 3 or more या उससे ज्यादा points lie in a straight line पर वो करते हैं lie, the points are said to be collinear points. C, X, Y, Z या तो 3 हो या उससे ज्यादा हो तो वो क्या होंगे? collinear points होंगे क्लास. C, a single point can contain unlimited number lines. Understand? X, Y, Z are points on X, Z. Point Y is between point X and Z. X, Y and Z are collinear points. Understand? Now class, non-collinear points, 3 points not lying in the same straight line, वो same straight line पर lie नहीं करेंगे class, are called non-collinear points. Understand? A, B and C are non-collinear points. Only 3 lines can be drawn through their non-collinear points. हम हमेशा सिर्फ 3 लाइंस ही ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. Now class C, plane. In mathematics, the concept of plane is an abstract concept. वो क्या कौन सा concept है class? Abstract concept. The flat surface of a table suggests a portion of a plane. A portion of a plane. Imagine the surface of the table is extended in all direction. class, ये टेबल का surface है, हम उसको और एक्सटेंड कर देती हूँ और डायरेक्शन में. What we will get? We will get a plane. What will we get? We will get a plane. Okay, a plane is a flat surface that goes on endlessly or extend indefinitely in all directions. हम उसको indefinitely और endlessly हम उसको extend कर सकते हैं. उसका क्या होगा? वो endless है. Now a plane is collection of infinite number of points. Infinite number of points. क्लास में उस डायरेक्शन में इसको एक्सटेंड कर सकती हूँ, इसमें भी, and so on. A plane contains unlimited number of lines, line segment and rays. Lines, line segments and rays. Understand class? Now class C. 3 non-collinear points can determine a plane. A line and a point can also determine a plane. Understand? Now class, come on exercise 8.1. अब क्लास आइडेंटिफाई, हमें आइडेंटिफाई करना है एंड नेम द लाइन सेगमेंट एंड रे इन द फॉलोइंग फिगर्स. लाइन सेगमेंट्स एंड रेज इन द फॉलोइंग फिगर्स. क्लास सी, रे is equal to AB and CD and CD, and line segment is equal to BC. Line segment is BC. Understand class? Now come on B part. Rays is equal to class BG या GD, EH, FI and line segment. Line segment is equal to class DF. Understand? Rest of the part do yourself class. Yes class. Now class, come on types of lines. Come on types of lines. There are different types of lines such as coplanar lines. Coplanar lines क्या होता है class? Two lines lying in the same plane are called coplanar lines. Class C, A, B, C, D. A, B or C, D. A, B and C, D are coplanar lines. Okay class, two lines in the same plane are called coplanar lines. Understand class? Now parallel lines. Class, parallel lines क्या होती हैं? Two or more coplanar lines that do not intersect are called पैरेलल लाइंस, वो एक दूसरे को क्लास इंटरसेक्ट नहीं करेंगे. अंडरस्टैंड? क्लास सी, पैरेलल लाइंस आर इक्विडिस्टेंट from each other. Symbol for parallel line is this. Now railway track, ये क्या क्लास हमारा रेलवे ट्रैक है, ये हमारा क्या है पैरेलल लाइंस है. Banks of a canal, opposite edges of a book are some examples of parallel lines from day to day life. Parts of parallel lines are also parallel, that is line segment or rays can also be parallel. Class B. Parallel lines, parallel line segment, parallel rays. Okay. Parallel lines can be vertical, horizontal or oblique. Vertical parallel lines, horizontal and oblique parallel lines. Now intersecting lines, two or more lines that cross each other. See, are called intersecting lines. Two intersecting lines have only one point in common, A, B, C, D. So common point is X. Intersecting at point X, two lines can intersect on one and only one point. Thus perpendicular lines कौन सी होती हैं? The lines, two lines that intersects or meet each other to form a line from a right angle. To form a right angle are called perpendicular lines. Right angle होता है क्लास उनके पास. In figure 1, class C, it is a 90 degree. AB is a line and CD intersect at point AO to form four right angles. The perpendicular lines are shown by the symbol this. Understand? Class C as shown here. Now class C, come on exercise 8.2. Classify the lines below as parallel, intersecting or perpendicular lines. Class C, it is the intersecting lines. Intersecting. Now class C, perpendicular because 90 degree, perpendicular. Now class, it is a parallel line. Again perpendicular, 490 degree. See angles here. It is again perpendicular. Okay. Now class, come on, polygon. Class see, these are polygons. A closed figure made up of three or more line segments. A closed figure made up of three or more line segments that do not cross each other is called a polygon. Thus, these are the example of polygons. Now, when you join three non-collinear points, a triangle is formed. हम class जब हम non-collinear points को join करते हैं तो क्या होता है? A triangle is formed. A triangle is a polygon made up of three line segments. A quadrilateral is polygon made up of four line segments. A square and a rectangle are example of quadrilateral. A pentagon is made up of five line segments. Okay, five line segments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now come on, quadrilateral. A closed figure made up of four line segments is called a quadrilateral. Here adjoining figure is a quadrilateral. It can be named in four different ways: ABCD, BCDA, CD, AB, DABC. Understand class C? This is a figure. Now parts of a quadrilateral. In quadrilateral ABCD, sides AB, BC, DA or CD. Vertices ABCD, ABC and D. Now angles, angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. Angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. Now diagonals AB and diagonals AC and DD. Now class, types of quadrilaterals. Types of quadrilaterals can be classified based on its sides and angles. Square, a quadrilateral with all the sides equal and all angles 90 degrees is called a square. Understand? All sides are equal. See, 2 centimeter and 90 degree angle is also here. Now here AB, BC, CD, DA is equal to 2 centimeter and angle A, angle B, angle C is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degree. Now therefore quadrilateral ABCD is a square. Now class, rectangle are quadrilateral in which opposite sides are equal and all angles are 90 degree is called rectangle. Class, opposite sides are equal, see, and all angles are 90 degree. Now here AB is equal to CD 4 centimeter, BC is equal to DA 2 centimeter and angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D is equal to 90 degree. Now therefore quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangular. Now class, parallelogram क्या होता है class? See, a quadrilateral in which the opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal and parallel opposite angles are equal is called a parallelograms. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite and angles are also equal. 100 degree, 80 degree. Opposite angles क्या होंगे? इक्वल होंगे तो क्या होगा? पैरेललोग्राम होगा क्लास हमारा. Now here AB is equal to DC 8 centimeter. Also AB is a parallel to DC. AB is equal to DC plus C. इसका parallel है AB और DC. Now BC is equal to DA 4 centimeter. Also BC is parallel to AD. Now angle A, angle C is equal to 100 degree, angle B, angle D is equal to 80 degree. Class, opposite angles क्या होंगे? Equal होंगे तो वो क्या होंगे? वो होंगे parallelogram होगा हमारा वहां पर. क्लास ठीक है? ओके. Therefore quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram because यहाँ पर opposite angles क्या है हमारे? Same है. 100 100 80 80 और ये जो हमारी breadth है इसकी तो same है और parallel है एक दूसरे से और length also opposite sides. Understand class? Now class, rhombus क्या होता है? A quadrilateral in which all the sides are equal. All the sides are equal. Opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are parallel and opposite angles are equal is called a rhombus. Here, this is a 6 centimeter. AB is a parallel CD and BC is a parallel to DA. Understand angle A, angle C 110 degree and angle B is equal to angle D is equal to 70 degree. Therefore quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus. Now class, trapezium, a quadrilateral in which only one pair of opposite sides its parallel is called a trapezium. Now class, here AB is parallel to CD and BC is not parallel to DA. BC is not parallel to DA. Therefore, quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. A square is a rhombus too, but all rhombus are odd. Class, a square is a rhombus too. एक square क्या होगा? Rhombus भी होगा. But all rhombus are not squares. Now, sum of the angles of a quadrilateral. The sum of the four angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Let us understand this with the help of our previous knowledge. In the quadrilateral ABCD, diagonal BD. ये हमारा diagonal है, हमारा quadrilateral divides the quadrilateral into two triangles. One triangle, triangle number 2, triangle ABD and triangle BCD, and triangle ABD plus BCD is equal to quadrilateral ABCD. Understand? Now we know that the sum of all angles is a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Therefore triangle ABD plus triangle BCD is equal to 180 degree plus 180 degree is equal to 360 degree quadrilateral ABCD. Now from the above we conclude that no matter what the shape of the quadrilateral is, the sum of the four angles is always 360 degree. Using the above fact, we can find the measures of different angles of a quadrilateral. Class, see the example. In quadrilateral ABCD, The three angles, angle D, angle B, angle C, 60, 80 and 100 respectively find angle A. Thus we know that जो हमारा क्वाड्रिलेटरल होता है वो क्या होता है 360 डिग्री का होता है. ओके. Now angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D is equal to 360 degree, four angles of a quadrilateral. As I told you. Now therefore angle A, angle B, हमने उनकी फिगर जो हमारा वैल्यू था हमने उसको पुट किया और इज इक्वल में क्या रखा 360 डिग्री. देन हमने इनको प्लस किया 240 डिग्री एंड इसको माइनस किया. सो द वैल्यू ऑफ एंगल इज इक्वल टू 120 डिग्री. इजी क्लास. Constructing squares and rectangles. Now constructing squares and rectangles. Class C. By now we know how to draw squares and rectangles using a ruler. We know now. Now today we learn to construct squares and rectangles using a set square. Using a set square. C class. Open your geometry box. Class, do you have a geometry box? So open it and you will find a right angled instrument like this. See in your geometry box, this is called a set square. What it is called? It is called a set square. A set square has makings on its baseline. Class C, यहाँ पर इसके पास makings हैं on its baselines and altitude है. And altitude. Example, construct square PQRS and side 4 cm using set square. Thus SR PQ for RQ 4 cm and SP also 4 cm. It is a rough figure. It is a rough figure. Class C. Step 1. Use the markings on the altitude of the set square to draw PQ on 4 cm. Class C. PQ on 4 cm. Now step 2. Come on, step 2. Place the base of the set square such that the vertex of its angle lies on point B. Draw PS is equal to 4 cm. PS is equal to 4 cm. Now come on, step 3. Now place the set square in such a way that the vertex of its right angle lies on point S. Lies on point S like this. Draw SR 4 cm. Understood class? You all are understanding now? Now step 4, join RQ. अब हमने क्या किया? Join कर दिया RQ को. Understand? Each side of a square PQRS is equal to 4 cm. This is a square. And result. Now class, come on exercise 8.3. Write true or false. Write true or false for the following statements. Class C. A polygon with 4 sides is called a pentagon. No class. It is a false. Pentagon has a 5 sides. Now every square is a rectangle. Every square is a rectangle. No class. Now the diagonal of a square are unequal. The diagonal. Class C. This is a square and ये diagonal है इसका. So ये कॉन्क्यूट एंगल्स होंगे बट ये अनइक्वल नहीं होंगे. सो इट इज ऑल्सो फॉल्स. नाउ ट्रायंगल इज अ पॉलीगॉन. पॉलीगॉन क्या होता है क्लास? इसके 3 लाइंस हो या फिर ज्यादा हो. सो इट इज ट्रू. यस, ट्रायंगल इज अ पॉलीगॉन. नाउ come on to draw a quadrilateral PQRS. Name its class. Draw a diagonal and नाम हमें उसको नेम करना है क्लास. उसके डायगोनल को, ऑपोजिट साइड्स को एंड एडजेसेंट्स को. अंडरस्टैंड? ड्रॉ अ क्वाड्रिलेटरल PQRS and name its diagonals, opposite sides, adjacents. Understand? This question you have to do yourself. Now class, come on circle. We have studied in the previous class about a circle. Okay. A circle contains many parts. Class, this is a point of a circle. A circle is a simple closed curve and every point on its circumference is at equal distance from a fixed point. Inside the curve, the fixed point is known as its center. Okay, and this is a circumference. of a circle. Class, elements of a circle. Figure shows a circle with center O. From this point, the distance of every point on the boundary of the circle is the same. Boundary of the circle is same. Just see. In this figure, OD is a radius. BF is a diameter. BF is a diameter and AG is a chord of a circle. AG is a chord of a circle. O is the center of the circle. And A, G, F, E, D, F and B are points on circumference. On circumference. ये points हैं class of the circle. Understand? CE is an arc of the circle. CE. C and E is the arc of the circle. It is represented by CDE. CDE. CE is the arc and it is represented by a CDE. Each half of a circle is known as semicircle. Is known as semicircle. C. Each half of a circle. A diameter divides the circle into two semicircles. Diameter divide कर देता है class circle को into two semicircles. Here PRQ is a semicircle. PRQ is a semicircle. Thus we may say that radius is a distance between center and any point on the boundary of the circle. Now class, chord is the line segment joining any point on the boundary of the circle. Now class, diameter is a line segment joining two points or circle and passing through center of the circle. Passing through center of the circle. It is the longest chord of the circle. Plus diameter क्या होता है? Longest chord होती है आपके circle की. Diameter is the longest chord of the circle. Now class, to draw a circle, we can draw a circle by using a compass. By using a compass, it contains two arms hinged at a point one arm is pointed and other arm can hold a pencil. It is a compass, class C. The end points of both arms should be in same level before constructing a circle. क्या होना चाहिए उनका जो लेवल हो क्लास सेम होना चाहिए. सी. Draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter. Solution. We can follow the following steps. Now step 1, mark a point O on a paper as center of the circle. Step 2, take a compass with firmly fixed well-sharpened pencil and open the arms of the compass. Open the arms of the compass like this and fix its end point 4 centimeter. Class, take a scale and उसके जो end points हैं वो 4 centimeter उसको measure कर लीजिएगा. And then apart from the pencil point. Class, step 3, hold the compass from top. Hold the compass from the top end like this and rotate it like this with 8 points and firmly until it reaches the starting point. Class C, जहां से हमने start किया था उसको हम round करके जहां तक हमारा ये जो यहाँ से हम उसको start करेंगे तब तक हम उसको round करेंगे तब तक हम अपने starting point तक नहीं पहुंच जाते. Class C, the drawn figure is the required circle. Understand? Now class, come on exercise 8.4. Now question number 1, draw the circles of the following radius. Class, you have to draw the circles of the following radius with the compass. Understand? Now class, come on question number 2. Look at the given figure and name the following. Class, point O. Point O, what is? It is center. Now OX. OX is radius. PRQ is chord. Now AB, class, AB is a diameter and diameter is the longest chord of the circle. Now class, OA again a radius. OA is a radius, class. Now class, PQ is a chord. Yes class, point O is a center, OX is a radius, PRQ is a chord, AB is equal to diameter and OA is equal to radius and PQ is equal to chord. Understand class? See, interior and exterior of the circle and on the circle. Class, interior means andar, exterior means bahar. Okay, now class figure 1, figure 2 and figure 3rd. See properly. Now class, the shaded portion in figure 1, shaded portion in figure 1 is called the interior because ye andar, interior means andar of the circle, points M, N and Y line in the interior of the circle. Okay, OM, radius OT, OM or OT, OM, OT, OM, OT. Class, OT is greater than OM. They both are radius. Understand class? Now the shaded portion in figure 2, class C, is known as the exterior of the circle. Class, exterior of the circle, points NZN, L, N, ZL in the exterior part of the circle. Exterior part of the circle. Class, ON, ON and OM. ON is greater than OM. Understand class? They both are radius. Now class, see the figure 3rd. S, T, P, Q and M lie on the circle OP, OQ, OP, OQ. They both are equal radius. Now class, see the example. The radius of a circle with O as center is 8.4 centimeter and 2 points P and Q are such that OP is equal to 5 centimeter and OQ 9 centimeter, which point lies in the A interior of the circle, B exterior of the circle. Plus radius of the circle 8.4, OP 5 centimeter. So 8.4 is greater than 5 centimeter. Radius of the circle is greater than OP. Therefore, the point P lies in the interior of the circle and OQ 9 centimeter. Clearly 8.4 is less than 9 centimeter. Radius of the circle is OQ. Therefore, the point Q lies in the exterior of the circle. Now class, relationship between the radius and diameter of a circle. Given below are 3 circles, measure their radius and diameter and observed carefully. Length of the diameter PQ. 3 plus 3, 2 3s are 6 or 3 plus 3 is also 6. Understand? तो क्लास डायमीटर क्या होता है? रेडियस का 2 टाइम्स होता है. डायमीटर इज इक्वल टू रेडियस इज इक्वल टू 2 टाइम्स. डायमीटर इज इक्वल टू 2 into r. Now class C, length of the diameter PQ 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2 or 2 2s are 4 centimeter. Now length of the diameter PQ 2.5, 2.5, it is 5 centimeter. Now in each case we are getting the length of diameter PQ, the length of OP plus length of OQ. Length of radius is plus length of radius 2 into length of radius. Hence length of diameter 2 into length of radius, and radius of a circle 1 upon 2 diameter of a circle. So example, find the diameter of a circle whose radius is 4.5 centimeter. We know the diameter of a circle 2 into radius of circle. So 2 multiply 4.5 centimeter is equal to 9 centimeter. Hence the diameter of the circle is 9 centimeter is the answer. Understand class? Now class, your chapter is completed, prepared very well, and we will meet you in next class. Thank you.